Hi everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video guide, I will show you how to replace the screen on the laptop. To disassemble the MacBook Pro, you will need the following tools: screwdriver set, plastic opening tools, tweezers. I also recommend using a magnetic mat during the repair process, which is especially useful in the case of this laptop. Throughout the disassembly, keep track of each screw so you can put them back in the right places. This will help successfully reassemble your device. And don't worry about losing any of the screws. All of them will definitely remain on the magnetic mat. In the description, I left links where to buy all the necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all the screws on the bottom cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Use only a plastic tool to lift the battery power connector. Remove the screws on the laptop hinges. Now you can remove and replace the top screen cover. Well, that's all. You are on How Fix It, and see you guys next time.